In today's video, I'll be showing you my favourite lunch meal in all of Johor. And this is my new kiddie, Marmalade. He doesn't want to be with me apparently. So we are at the restaurant.
Normal temperature.
I've got a normal temperature even though I'm sunburnt. And this is it. I don't know if it says pizza or if it's Pete's at. I don't know. Anyway, let's go and have it. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So, if you didn't get that, we're doing the set meal today, which is there, and you get two different options. I'm sure we're going to have one option each. Right, so the first part of it was the soup, which is an onion soup, as I said before, and it's really nice. So, the price of this meal is 17 ringgit and 95 cents, which works out at around about £3. I'll put the exact price right there. That's what the price is in pounds. So what you're getting for the price is exceptional, and it's tasty. So I mean, like for me, tastiness. Do you agree, Ella? We'll give it a 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Yeah. We'll go with a 9.5 out of 10 just to be strict. The service is without a doubt a 10 out of 10. Like every single time they make you feel like you're regulars, which we all sort of are, but they really look after us. And the food comes out quickly, and it's tasty, and it's perfect, and it's cheap. So at the moment, like everything's just 10s all the way through. Now we're trying out a new main. I've not had this new the main yet, so we'll see how that comes out.
The French barramundi, right? And the chicken stew food.
Thank you very much.
Alright, enjoy.
Thank you. Yes. So this is what I've gone for. So I've gone for the stew with garlic bread, chicken stew with the creamy sauce, and it's gone for the barramundi. So it's fish with like mash and other stuff.
Carrot puree, asparagus.
Yeah. We'll let you know how they taste. So we're just waiting for our coffees now, and it's been a satisfying meal. Coffees are what coffees are. Now I do want us to say thanks to Pizza because we didn't actually pay for this meal. They're giving it to us so I can make a YouTube video on it. But I would highly recommend coming here, and we come here every day anyway, and we pay for it every single day. So total rating out of 10 for you?
Love it.
Big 10 out of 10 for both of us, so it's 20 out of 20. Thanks, Pizza.